Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoe channel. I'm your host, Mark, and Merry Christmas to all of you. This is my Christmas video, Monday. We don't stop. I got my Habs Christmas hat on, and we're gonna go through the trough here. We're gonna take a look at what's coming up on the channel for the last full week of 2023. Imagine that. 2024 is coming upon us. Yeah, one thing you got to do, make sure that you spend time with people that appreciate you, love you. You know, if you haven't been in touch with certain people, you know, do your due diligence. Have good people around you. That is something that's really important. People that encourage you, love you, and all that good stuff. But let's get into it. This week, I have a little bit of everything, designer and niche. We got some, obviously, the unboxings that are very interesting to me. We got a good test drive and we got some sampling samples. So let's get into it today. Of course, Christmas Day. Spend it with family. Don't spend too much time on YouTube. That's why this video is actually nice and sweet and short. And on Tuesday, you're going to have your typical subscriber's choice unboxing day. I will give you your choices. Again, nice, short, and sweet. Spend time with family. And then Wednesday, we get back to work and we take a look at YSL's L'Homme Eau de Parfum. So the EDP version of L'Homme, they have tons of flankers. I've never smelt this one. This one was, honestly, it wasn't everywhere here in Canada. It was... Or was it the Parfum that was hard to find? There was one of them that was kind of hard to find. Anyway, I'm looking forward to unboxing this one. It is a first impression. I've never smelt it. Looking forward to it. L'Homme is one of my old school signature scents back in the day. Next test drive for Thursday is going to be a Guerlain Lui. I've had this since 2019. Underrated Guerlain, to be quite honest. A really, really good one from the brand. I can't wait to delve into that one. Talking about hard to find, that one is hard to find. And then on Friday, we're gonna have another unboxing here. Amouage Interlude 53, the big boy. Yeah, I'm finally gonna have my trifecta of interludes. I unboxed Black Iris a few months back. Now it's Interlude 53's turn to get unboxed. It's not a first impression. I have a sampling samples on this if you want to go see my thoughts on it already. I already shot that video. And then sampling samples on the weekend, we are going to have your subscriber's choice. Yves Saint Laurent, so another YSL, but this is in the Y section of the line. I haven't really spoken much about the Y line for good reason. I smelled the eau de toilette back in the day and I was like, junk. I haven't checked really that much more. I think I got a sample with another purchase, like one of these purchases or a La Nuit. But this is Y Le Parfum. I believe that was a 2019 edition release. So we'll see if that one's going to be a flop. That might be, out of all these, this might be the worst review of the week. I'm just guessing. I might be wrong. It might be the All-Star. And lastly, on Sunday, it's going to be an Amouage again. This is from the Opus line. This is Reckless Leather. So Opus, what is that, 7? Reckless Leather from Little Lucky Scent sample. So a little sample for that one. So double Amouage, double YSL, and then a Guerlain in the middle of things. So definitely an interesting week, and as usual, take a little time, comment below if you can. Let me know if you're going to be checking in, checking out. What are you going to be checking out on the channel this week? Absolutely love it. Let me know what you got for Christmas. I'm expecting no perfume. I'm not asking for any. I don't want any. That is the whole mind. I got enough. That's the whole mind frame. So there you have it for this week. Hopefully you enjoy the content. Have a good one. And yeah, I'll be seeing you probably next year after all this whole week. Imagine that. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.